The Poor Man's Bakery. Learn English through story. The Poor Man's Bakery. Baking dreams come true. The rise of the Poor Man's Bakery. Once upon a time, there was a poor man who had a dream of opening his own bakery. He had always wanted to own a bakery, but he never had enough money to make it happen. One day, he decided to take a chance and he opened a small bakery in his small hometown. He used all of his savings to buy the necessary ingredients and tools he needed to get his business going. He worked day and night to make sure his bakery was a success. The Poor Man's Bakery quickly became popular in his town. People from all over the area began to flock to the bakery for its delicious treats. He was even able to hire a few employees to help him manage the business. His bakery was a hit, and it wasn't long before the poor man was making enough money to support his family. He was so proud of what he had accomplished and was grateful for all the support he had received from his local community. The poor man continued to make delicious treats for his customers, and he was soon able to move his bakery to a larger location. The bakery continued to thrive, and the poor man was finally able to make his dream come true. The moral of the story is to never give up on your dreams. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment below and subscribe. Subscribe!